It's time to drop everything and read. River Ridge Academy is renewing a love for literacy with its middle school students. Every Friday, students and teachers in grades 6 through 8 will drop everything to improve their literacy skills.
We've paired 2 time periods throughout the day on Fridays where students drop everything and read, and that's just a time where they can enjoy pleasure reading with a book, and then hopefully they take that home with them over the weekend and they read it a little more then too. And then there's also a second time period where students will be working with an interactive software program called Reading Plus that works on literacy skills and grows all students.
During Drop Everything and Read, teachers share passages from books.
So she had to learn how to do it on her own.
Then students read, and later, the class comes together to discuss their books.
I hope more than anything that they develop the love of reading, because then that will continue on past the 45 minutes at school. Of course, the more that they read, they're also going to become more knowledgeable, more fluent readers. They're going to be exposed to great vocabulary. They're exposed to different perspectives other than their own, which is such a critical skill.
Students are enjoying reading books that interest them.
I like to read sports because I read the sports that I play and some of it helps me.
I like reading because when I go to read, I basically enter a new world for me and I get to learn new things about books, and I just I feel like I'm in the story when I read.
Drop Everything and Read also allows students to take a moment out during the day for themselves.
As a school counselor, I've seen a lot of increase in anxiety and stress amongst our kids. And so while we see that this is going to help build literacy, for me and my profession, I see that it gives kids a chance to relax, take a moment, and practice some of that self-care that we're preaching as counselors and as adults in their lives.
Students will participate in Drop Everything and Read all school year. At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.